Hi everyone, it's Emily from Life So Savory, and today I'm going to show you how to make these adorable scrappy pot holders. First, you want to go ahead and cut scraps of Christmassy or whatever fabric you're using into 1.5 inch strips. You can use some short pieces and long pieces. You'll of course need more long pieces than short, so if you're using scraps, make sure that you have some that are at least 8 to 10 inches long so that you can do the bigger parts. We're going to start by creating two 1-inch squares that are put together. I just use the long piece and then trim them down. Then you're going to continue sewing on the other side to join now 3 pieces. I use my scissors to just trim when I'm done sewing, and then I am using a scrappy technique, which means I'm not doing everything square, so you can see that I'm sort of angling my fabric as I'm doing it. I am pressing after I sew. I'm just not showing you that step. So you're sewing along one edge, rotating, putting a piece of fabric, pressing it, sewing, and then pressing it open. Each time you rotate, you are just trying to put a different piece of fabric that looks cute at an angle. If you want, you can of course do them all squared up, but we will just square up our project when we are finished. So you can see these long pieces. I'm just sewing the long piece and then cutting it after. I have some short pieces, especially of the green, and you need at least 3 colors because you can see that gives you some variety as you rotate around. More than that is also good, and then you won't have any of the same color touching. I do have some colors touching each other. You can see the greens there meet at the corner. But I'm just working my way all the way around. I cut my backing pieces 8.5 by 8.5. So that's what I'm going for as I'm putting these scraps around. You can see the full tutorial for this on lifesosavory.com. Search scrappy pot holders, and the link will also be in the description of this video. Once you think you have your front the same as your backing, go ahead and measure it and then trim it up so that it fits on the backing. Mine again are 8.5 inches square. I cut 2 pieces of the Insulbright, which is insulation batting made to be heat resistant, perfect for pot holders. 2 layers between the front and the back, and then I went ahead and just put some pins in so that it will all stay in place while I sew. Quilt this pot holder however you want. I just went ahead and sewed on the lines, working my way around the pot holder in a circular fashion. I put a little tie on the edge to be the pot holder hanger, and then folding the binding in half with wrong sides together, you're going to sew the raw edges to the edge of the pot holder. My binding was 2 inches wide, but again, all these details are on my blog post. Go ahead and pin the binding to the back, and then I like to use a fancy top stitch to top stitch all the way around the pot holder, and you are finished. It's so cute, and it actually sews up really quickly. I know this was kind of sped up, but the whole process took under an hour to make 2 pot holders. So you would love doing this. It's cute and easy and looks so festive. You can make these for Christmas or just with any cute fabric that matches your kitchen to have out on a daily basis. I love how these look, and I'm so excited for my new Christmas pot holders. Thanks for watching.